Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to protect your folder from virus and ransomware. You no need to use any additional software for this. In Windows 10, there is a default software you can protect any folder without using any antivirus. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to open your Restart menu, click over there, and the left side corner you will see Settings. Simply click there, a new screen will appear. Here you have to click this Update and Security. Simply click over there, and then in the left side you will see under the Windows Update you will find Windows Security. Simply click over there, and here you will see in the right side there will appear many options. You have to choose this Virus and Threat Protection. Simply open this, and then you will see new screen will appear. Here you have to click in the down ransomware protection. Simply click over there, and then you will find a control folder access. Simply on this, and then click on yes, and then here protected folder. Simply click this, and here you will see by default all the Windows folder is already added in this here. Also, you can add any other folder if you like to protect from virus and ransomware. Simply click here, add a protected folder, and then add any folder you would like to anywhere location in your Windows. So I'm going to select this folder, and then I'm going to click on select folder, and I'm going to click on yes, and it will appear here. You will see that you will notice that folder is added here, so it is now protected from virus and ransomware. Now if you like to remove this folder, you can simply just select it and click on remove, and it will remove from here. Also, if you like to totally remove this protected folder, you maybe not want, just you can go back and then click off this and click on yes. So this is how you can protect any folder from virus and ransomware in a Windows 10 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.